Hey everyone, if your Photopea tools like brush, eraser, move tool, or selection tools are not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Photopea tools not working so you can get back to editing normally. First, refresh the page. Sometimes tools stop working due to temporary browser glitches, and a simple reload fixes the issue instantly. Next, make sure the correct tool is selected. I mean, sometimes it feels like the tool is broken, but actually you're just using the wrong tool or working in the wrong mode. Check if your layer is locked. Locked layers won't allow editing, so make sure to unlock the layer before using any tools. Also, confirm that you are working on the correct layer. I mean, if another layer is selected, your edits may not show, making it seem like tools are not working. Disable browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with web apps like Photopea and stop tools from responding properly. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. I mean, this helps fix deeper issues caused by corrupted browser data or scripts. And finally, restart your browser or device. This resets everything and often restores tool functionality instantly. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Photopea tools not working. Follow each step carefully and your editing tools should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right,